Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. All right. Jessica here. For those of you that don't know me, I do appreciate you stopping by to hang out with me for a little bit during another one of my unboxings. Yes. And this week I'm going to have two of these boxes. One is the women's Box from Fashionsta, and this I'm going to be unboxing today. And then another day I am unboxing the men's box by Fashionsta. So stay tuned. Okay, so the box from Fashionsta is $24.99 a month. Now, I do have a link down below that you can scoop this up for yourself. It is a really, really good subscription. I've been getting it since they started, and I've really, really enjoyed it. So let's dive in and see what the June 2021 The Box by Fashionsta has got in store for us. So here is the card we got in this month's women's box. And it says, "Be beautiful. Be you, be true." And then on the back is a whole list of all the products in our box, along with prices and the total value. Now stay tuned to the end of the video and I will give you the total value along with the actual total percentage of savings that you get by purchasing this box in lieu of the products individually retail. So all that I include right at the end. So stay tuned. This is what it looks like when you open it up, and they do package it really, really nicely. Not only the tissue paper, but they've got like the paper squiggly wormy things in there, which actually drive me loopy, but I'd rather go a little crazy than end up with broken products. Okay, so this is the first thing I got, and it's by Levito, and it's like Evening Primrose Seed, Sea Buckhorn, and Pumpkin Seed Age Away Hydrating Cream. I have gotten other Levito products in my boxes, and I've actually really, really enjoyed them. This is what it looks like. Now, I will say, I do actually find that their containers are a little small. So the Levito Age Away Hydrating Cream retails for $55. Yeah, that container is rather small for a $55 cream, but I'll try it. It balances the skin's moisture levels, improves skin texture and tone, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a healthy glow. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Next is by Nuria, and it is the Defend Skin Shielding Essence. Okay. This one retails for $36, and it's formulated with plant-based extracts to strengthen your skin's natural defenses, and vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, next up is a lip oil. This is what it looks like, and it is Cutie Oils Company. And obviously, this is a cutie oil. It retails for $22. Help restore brittle nails. Okay, so it's a nail oil, not like a lip oil, which I kind of thought it was a lip oil. That's okay. Nourish your cuties and nails with this mixture of coconut oil, macadamia oil, meadow foam oil, and jojoba oil. Vegan and cruelty-free. And then we have something from Floss. And this is their Lip Advocate. So I definitely need stuff to advocate for my lips. This is what she looks like. Okay. It's pretty. Oh, okay. Why did I think it was like a balm? No, it's got color to it. This retails for $18. And it's a sheer lip tint. Okay. Formulated with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. Use it alone for a soft wash of buildable color, or apply it over your favorite lip product for a subtle sheen. Well, that's pretty cool. Okay, two more things. This is from Makeup Geek, and it's a purple eyeliner pencil. Yeah, I love getting stuff like this. This retails for $7, and Makeup Geek has got really good products, and they're really affordable. Let's check this baby out. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this color. It's like a deep grape purple. Oh my gosh. And it is a twist up gel. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Ew, I love it. I'm so excited to get this. I need to look into their stuff, and I don't think I've ever ordered from them, and I kind of don't know why. Okay, anyway, this eyeliner applies effortlessly with a velvety smooth application, and it lasts up to 8 hours with no sharpener ever needed. Waterproof and transfer proof. That I like. And it's cruelty free. Now, last but not least is a palette, and this is from Ace Beauty. So here she is. This retails for $35. And I do have this palette. Some of the colors I use, and some of them I don't. For whatever reason, I don't feel like yellows work on me. But I do use all the other colors. And obviously, because I already have this palette, it's going to be going into one of my giveaways to give back to one of you guys. It is a really nice palette, and it works really good. So, it has 12. What kind of word is that? 12 highly pigmented, gorgeous shades reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises from around the world. Perfect colors for a sun-filled summer of beauty. Cruelty-free. Okay, so that is everything in the box for June 2021. And I am really happy with everything. We got some really good stuff. What's the total value? The total value is $173. Yeah. For a box that's under $25. And that includes shipping. Yeah. And what's the total savings by purchasing this box in lieu of purchasing all these products individually at full retail? It's 85%. Yeah. You flipping get 85% off of retail by grabbing this subscription box. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Thank you as always for coming to hang out with me during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much. And it allows me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. Okay. Love you guys bunches. Take care. and I will talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.